Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is a market profile learning video for Index Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So market profile is the base for this channel. Market profile base which is everyday live trading session around 10 in the morning. We are having a live analysis for market profile based on market profile which is the base for this channel. So we are having a live analysis for index, for stocks and for commodity market as well. So let's get into the tomorrow's analysis for August 6th. So before going into the Nifty, so we have expected a negative opening because global conflicts இருக்கிறதுனால வந்து Dow Jones இருக்கட்டும், Nasdaq இருக்கட்டும், everything was negative. So again US futures was more than 2% negative. So market we have expected a negative opening today. Market was having a negative opening below 24,600 which is a very important zone of single print. So market வந்து நல்ல ஒரு டவுன்ல ஓபன் ஆயிருக்காங்க. அகைன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is exactly below the selling exactly below the single prints. So 24,600 which is a very important zone for Nifty. It has opened below the zone. Open is equal to high and open is equal to selling excess. So it has a greater confidence like the selling was continuing அப்படின்றது வந்து மார்னிங்லயே வந்து they have provided. So OTF sellers, most of the stocks and most of the and all the indexல வந்து OTF sellers இருந்தாங்க. So only very few stocks like பாத்தீங்கன்னா FMCG was little up today having a buying single prints and so it is kind of P-shape profile from the beginning. So market பொறுத்த வரையுமே everybody are in red shape. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து OTF sellers வந்து நல்லாவே வந்து indexல நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். We have a continuous live market. We have seen the index how it is falling right from the beginning, having a selling excess. Open is equal to high, a higher level of confidence. So market பொறுத்தவரையும் 24,600 which is a base level of single print. That level itself broken from the beginning of the period. So after that what happened? Market பொறுத்தவரையுமே it is clearly OTF sellers. But one important thing in Nifty which also we shared in liveல வந்து நம்ம அதுவும் பார்த்திருந்தோம். It is a very important zone in Nifty. Niftyயை பொறுத்தவரையுமே that is 24,200. This is a very important zone in Nifty. And if you see Nifty 24,200, it is a very it has a back history for this level 24,200 பொறுத்தவரையும் because it was the peacock creation and anything created in market profile நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம் it is definitely for a reason, maybe for intraday or maybe for the upcoming days. So this POC has been created not only for the next few days but also many days. This POC was very good support act ஆயிருக்கு. So பாத்தீங்கன்னா every time when the POC comes to the level, when the price comes to that level of POC, it is acting as a support only even on this day. So it was perfectly have a closure above this level only. So today பாத்தீங்கன்னா more than 1.5 hours, so almost C period வரையுமே this 24,200 was completely protected even though it has OTF sellers. So how long it can hold the levels to the best level அப்படின்றது தான் வந்து. So market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே how best we can use all the information, that is a very important thing. So it will give you a lot of hints, it will give you a lot of dots joining that we need to join one after other to form an entire analysis. So based on our view, based on how we understand the market profile, so that market profile பொறுத்தவரையுமே deep knowledge or deep understanding of the profile is definitely required. Just because ஒரு POC create பண்றாங்க, ஒரு இடத்துல create பண்றாங்க, ஒரு balance create பண்றாங்கன்னா that is not going to serve as a purpose of resistance or a support. On the back end what kind of work they have taken, what kind of information they can provide through their data. So இது எல்லாமே ஒண்ணுத்துக்கு ஒண்ணு வந்து it is definitely important. So to form an entire trading decisions and to continue the system also for a longer time, definitely market profile or knowledge or depth ஆன ஒரு knowledge வந்து கண்டிப்பா வந்து தேவை. So இந்த இடத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த 24,200 even on liveலயும் நம்ம பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market வந்து OTF sellers வரும்போது கூட this level is got protected 24,200. So 1.5 hours they are protecting the zone. After that only what happened, IB or the downside extension, and we know it is a OTF seller. So continuation of OTF sellers, there is a continuation of OTF sellers along with the buying support of that level. So anyone should be dominant to continue the direction. So what happened here, we know the sellers are very dominant, so the sellers obviously they continued the level, but at least for 1.5 hours they are holding, they're trying to hold the level. So that is the impact of the POC or POC. So 24,200 வந்து market பாத்தீங்கன்னா again they could not cross that level even after they took a support. So exactly what happened after 24,200 broke market பொறுத்தவரையும் in live trading session also we try to find whether this 2400 minor level of support இருக்கும் அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம் because it was previous time support and 2400 also we know the history because these many days we have discussed the level of 2400 also. And today exactly market have the POC at this level. So if you see almost exactly closer to that level the POC building. So next பாத்தீங்கன்னா market again try to have a stop here. So that also we discussed in our live session, that is 23,900 to 24,000. Anywhere they could find a stop அப்படின்றத பார்த்திருந்தோம். So market exactly found a stop in this level of 23,900. So this was the exact stop zone because it was the POC which has been created in the time of initiative have come at this level. So market பொறுத்தவரையுமே இந்த லெவல்ல நல்லாவே support system find பண்ணக்கூடிய வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு அப்படின்றத we have discussed in the live session, and as we expected this could be a minor support ஆவும் work ஆயிருக்கு for intraday. So for intraday it has acted as a support and market to closing is almost near to the zone of 24,100. So 24,100 we know the history of this level, this could be a minor level. So market beautifully taken support of POC and now also closed near to the poor lows of 24,100 which has so many poor lows created before. So in the level கிட்ட தான் இப்போ closing பண்ணிருக்காங்க and balance maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So if at all market நாளைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா above this level 2400, then obviously 24,200 could be a level of resistance because earlier times it was a very good support and now it has turned as a resistance. So 24,200 is going to be a resistance and 24,400 because this was the POC வந்து அந்த இடத்துல நல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரெண்டு நாளோட POC create பண்ணிருக்காங்க, whereas volume also that level. So 24,400 in the next level of to be seen, and obviously this excess selling excess பொறுத்தவரையுமே நல்ல ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங்கான selling excess வந்து 400 ல இருந்து 550 வரையுமே build பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So very strong level of selling initiated from the beginning. So அந்த selling excess could be a better level of resistance for Nifty, and crossing this level definitely this PPOC could be a level of resistance, that is 24,700 and 24,800. But crossing this selling excess itself is a resistance because it was the OTF sellers who pushed the market down. நல்லாவே IB ஓட downside, POC on downside, closing everything on downside. So the selling excess will be a good level of resistance for tomorrow. In case market வந்து 2400 க்கு கீழ வராங்கன்னா then 23,900 to 24,000 this zone could be a better support zone because today's support also taken at the zone which is a POC of previous time. So market if that level breaks then finally this single print, because this single print is a very important zone who the initiative of Nifty come at this level. Before this 24,200 levels வந்து இந்த level could be a better level of single prints. Buying support irkaன்றதை நம்ம check பண்ணோம். So 23,800 obviously. If this level also breaks then finally the important level to see in Nifty is the PPOC level, that is 24,500 to 600, which is a very very important zone in Nifty to see. So further supports and resistance in Nifty is very clear. So நாளைக்கும் we'll do the live நம்ம வந்து track பண்ணலாம். And moreover நம்ம இண்டெக்ஸ் பேஸ்டு ஸ்டாக்கும் வந்து பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ ரிலையன்ஸும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம வந்து கண்டினியூஸாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் லைவ்ல. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ பேங்க் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்தவரையுமே ஃபியூ ஸ்டாக்ஸ் விச் ஆர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் கரண்ட் டே, அந்த டேல அந்த மூமெண்ட் கொடுக்குற ஸ்டாக்ஸும் நம்ம வந்து ஹைலி ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றோம். ஸோ பேங்க் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்தவரையுமே கம்ப்ளீட் பி ஷேப் ப்ரொஃபைல். இன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேங்க் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்தவரையுமே அதே மாதிரி நிஃப்டி மாதிரி செல்லிங் எக்ஸஸ். ஸோ ரைட் ஃப்ரம் த ஓப்பனிங்லேருந்து நல்ல ஒரு டவுன்ல ஓப்பன் ஆயிட்டு மார்க்கெட் இஸ் ஹேவிங் அ செல்லிங் எக்ஸஸ். இஃப் யூ சி த செல்லிங் எக்ஸஸ் அட் த லெவல் ஆஃப் 51,000. ஸோ வி நோ 51K இன் பேங்க் நிஃப்டி இஸ் அ ஸ்ட்ராங் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் அப்படின்றது தெரியும், ஆஸ் பர் ஓப்பன் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆல்சோ, ஆஸ் பர் மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைல் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ 51Kக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மார்க்கெட் வாஸ் கண்டினியூங் வித் தி OTF செல்லர்ஸ். So OTF IB ஓட டவுன் சைடும் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணாங்க அண்ட் 50,400 which is a very important zone பேங்க் நிஃப்டியை பொறுத்த வரையுமே. ஏன்னா பேங்க் நிஃப்டி வந்து this POC, this level of POC, that is 50,325 to 400, this level of POC could be a stop. ஆனா இந்த level of POC வந்து they have the OTF sellers. OTF sellers, they push the price down. What happened with the selling single print on double confirmation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So what happened, market வந்து நல்லாவே வந்து further down பண்ணாங்க, and every time they are trying to hit the zone, they could not cross the zone because it's a selling single print which was placed by the OTF sellers. So OTF sellers was good in bank nifty. So bank nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 50,000, இந்த 50,200ல but 50,000 if you find, so bank nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா a clear stop almost வந்து ஒரு 49,900 and something 990 or to 50,000ல தான் ஒரு clear stop வந்து கிடைச்சிருக்கு for bank nifty, because 50,000 is a psychological number again, but அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு stop find பண்ணிருக்காங்க. but ஆனா movement ஆனா closing பாத்தீங்கன்னா POC and everything was downside. IB on downside, selling single print placed, POC on down, closing on down. So 50,200ல தான் balance maintain பண்ணிருக்காங்க. If this 50,200 is a opening level இருந்ததுனா மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு, then this selling single print itself could be a resistance, that is 5400, which today they could not breach the level. So இந்த லெவலே ஒரு resistance இருக்கும். On crossing this level, definitely 500 and 600, and obviously this selling single print, selling excess of 50,700 to 900, anywhere they could resist, because it's a strong OTF sellers from the beginning open and selling excess. So this selling excess could be a better level of resistance. Until 51k there is a clear resistance for bank nifty. On every up movement க்கும் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து resistance வந்து create பண்ணிருக்காங்க. further market இன்னைக்கு வந்து 50,000 க்கு கீழ வராங்க, tomorrow 50,000 க்கு கீழ வராங்க அப்படினா, then the important level of support based on the poor low எடுத்திருக்கிறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா 49,800, 49,800 and 49,000 to 850. So 800 to 850, anywhere they can take a support, because this was the poor low which has been created previous time. So market anywhere they could find a minor level of support, and if not, then 49,600, which is a very very important level of support system. 600 to 500, anywhere they can get a support. So 49,500 is going to be a superb support after 49,800. ஏன்னா 49,800 விட minor level, but this could be a better poor low நிறைய வாட்டி எடுத்திருக்காங்க, which is a 49,600 to 550 levels. So they could get a minor level of support. And obviously if this level breaks, then 49,000 will be the next immediate zone of support system for bank nifty. So the important reference or the rounding number பாத்தீங்கன்னா 50k. இந்த 50k இன்னைக்கு வந்து support system work பண்ணிருக்காங்க, but 50k க்கு கீழ வராங்களா அப்படின்றது it's important. And almost 50,400 க்கு மேலயும் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து selling single prints place பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So everywhere they are having selling on top, and also the support system பாத்தீங்கன்னா கீழயும் வந்து they have very good support system at the level of 49,500 to 600, and 49,100 to 49,000 could be the last level based on the past history. So bank nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு ICICI Bank was clearly down. So நல்ல ஒரு IB downside provide பண்ணாங்க, நம்ம லைவ்லயும் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். ICICI again வந்து first வந்து அவங்க வந்து நல்ல ஒரு IB downside provide பண்ணாங்க, and then what happened, bank nifty also followed. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து ICICI யும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நல்ல ஒரு B shape profile. So market வந்து IB ஓட extension வந்து provide பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க, bank nifty யும் நல்லாவே வந்து fall ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சது. So let's focus on individual banks also tomorrow. So fin nifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே fin nifty is very clear. So fin nifty பொறுத்த வரையும் ஒரு clear-ஆன stop நம்ம expect பண்ண மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா 22, I mean again a selling excess, OTF sellers in all index. So market IB on downside provide பண்ணாங்க. If you see very clearly, that is 22,900, they could not, like what we saw in nifty. So initially இதுவும் நம்ம discuss பண்ணோம், 22,900 liveல வந்து we also discussed this. 22,900 they could not break it at a stretch. They wanted to take some initial support there because it was the time of reference. so which we have seen previously. So 22,900 they could not break just like that. So for more than 1.5 hours they spent the time there. So then only they broke the levels. So 22,900 க்கு கீழ தான் இன்னைக்கு market POC build பண்ணிருக்காங்க, closing பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and they could not breach this level, right? So what happened next day பாத்தீங்கன்னா, this level could be a better level of resistance if at all market continues from 22,800. So இந்த லெவலுக்கு மேல வராங்க அப்படின்னா 23k obviously it's a good level of resistance because psychologically that is a number, and then the selling excess, that is 23,100 to 23,200, anywhere they can resist. Suppose on downside, if 22,800 க்கு கீழ market வராங்க, 22,800 க்கு கீழ market வராங்கன்னா, then 22,600 which is today's support, this could be a better or minor level of support system find பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் இருக்கு. And the main important level to see in FinNifty is 22,500, 500 to 550 zone, which is a very very important zone in FinNifty because FinNifty பொறுத்த வரையுமே நல்ல ஒரு breakout start பண்ண இடம் வந்து it is a very important zone. So 22,500 this is a very important peacock creation, and 500 to 550 this could be a better zone of support system for FinNifty if it breaks the level of 22,600. 700 zone வந்து it is a today's support. இந்த லெவலையும் அவங்க break பண்றாங்க, 650 to 600 zoneயும் break பண்றாங்கன்னா, then this could be a better zone to see any kind of support for FinNifty. But provided upside பொறுத்தவரையுமே it's very clear, 22,900 itself is a resistance and more than 23k. So upside and downside is very clear in all the index. So tomorrow நம்ம வந்து liveலையும் will have a clear track, and நீங்க அனலைஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ட்ரேட் எடுங்க. This is purely for education purpose. So நீங்க அனலைஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ட்ரேடிங்காக இருக்கட்டும், இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்காக இருக்கட்டும், you do your analysis before you take trade for trading or for investment. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. We'll meet on live tomorrow. Thank you.